morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday. May the 4th be with you.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Here's our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons.
We have a few friendly Falcons today. Kessler in Miss Gerard's class was nominated by Asher for being helpful and their best friend. Lily in Miss Sikora's class was nominated by Eli because she was the best sister ever. Cindy was nominated by Ellie because she's kind. She was also nominated by Miss Thompson for being a great library helper. Shane in Miss Hosbach's class was nominated by Miss Edley for keeping everyone safe by volunteering to clean up water that someone else spilled. Great job and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Happy birthday to Tennyson in 1st grade.
Happy birthday! Get ready because the book fair is coming. This spring virtual book fair will start this week on Thursday, May 6th.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 70 and a low of 60.
Today is Star Wars Day. Who's your favorite character?
Darth Vader.
Mine's either Kylo Ren or Rey.
Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda's the best.
Today in history, in 1750, a French manufacturer debuts the first folding umbrella.
In the headlines, elderly man gives lessons on hair to make up struggling wife with failing vision. A determined 79-year-old man visits a beauty school to get lessons in hair to help his wife who is struggling. He walked into the school to ask how to learn how to use a curling wand because she can't do it physically herself. He was doing a thing to help his wife still live happily.
Today's fun fact is, Saturn is the lightest planet and could actually float in water.
What? Wow.
Now for the stupid thing, Lily, why did the M&M go to school?
I don't know why.
Because he wanted to be smarty.
Okay, yeah. That's all for today. Let's motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Max.
I'm Trey.
And I'm Lily.
That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Until next time.